Okay, I'm going to show how to use the Pampered Chef Smooth Edge can opener. I love this thing. The only difference is it works a little bit differently than your average can opener. So we're going to take a look at this. This is a can of chicken. I am using this because it's notoriously difficult to open. For some reason, these low flat cans are very difficult. So normally you would put it like this, right? And it works. Nope. This one, start there and turn and let it attach, and you do it face up. Now again, this can is notoriously hard to open for me with any can opener because of the shape and the size. So you just go until you feel it get a little bit less, and then there you go. Now to release it, you just back this handle off as you twist the opposite direction. And there you go. Smooth edge.
Yay!